How to effectively use USS Missouri. Let's break it down. Costing around 16,000 gold in the shop and 8,000 on discount during special events. I could say it's pretty worth it and a better option to Yamato because with the right equipment you can keep up with other legendary ships with it. So here's some recommended missiles for it. You have to option. It's either using nukes or using fast reload missiles like Atmaka or Scalp Naval Missile. If you have few saved AC, I highly recommend using Atmaka missiles because her cannons already deals a lot of damage, so you can take advantage of missiles while waiting for it to reload. For the helicopter and air defense, you can use whatever suits you. Anyways, tip number 1, don't rush the enemy to avoid getting teabagged. Yes, Missouri has good air defense and high HP, but it doesn't mean you can use it for rushing. And here's a good example of it. This is also one of the reasons why new players regretted buying it. Tip number 2, always advance aim to moving targets to improve accuracy. And this is a good example on how to use cannons. Take a look at my aim. Note on how advanced you aim is it depends on how fast and big the target. Take time for adjusting. That's why you should always use the secondary guns first. Now please enjoy the gameplay.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to the world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out.
Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye.